I've always had an aversion to dead bodies. I don't like going to funerals, don't like going to open caskets. The Autopsy of Jane Doe. This movie will hold your attention.
I'm really conflicted by this movie because I love parts of it, and then other parts I didn't really like at all. It's really moody, it's really creepy, it's really tense.
Great cast. He distinctly wanted a real person to play the corpse. Can you imagine getting that part? How hard that would be?
You're going to be laying on this table. Naked.
Yeah, naked almost the entire time.
Oh no, she really is a witch.
Yeah.
These are tattoos. That
We should have directed this movie. There's all kinds of creepy elements to this. He sees that face and its mouth and eyes are trying to open against those stitches. And I'm like, it's wonderful, wonderful.
So yeah, you would have done the same thing.
Oh, hell yeah, you know it.
You can't start the car. Johnny has the key.